YouTube, my friends and my family. It's January 28th, 6:44 a.m. here in Cincinnati, Ohio. The sun hasn't even came up yet, and I'm here to help y'all out, shoot a video. So here we have this FU design, you know, and I'm just gonna be working on this design, showing y'all just a few different ways on how I select things. I already started and did my selections to where this actually was all one color. Let me show y'all. So that was that color, all of that, all of that. So it was all one color. So I went in there using my selection tools and I changed that to pink, changed that one to pink, and changed that to blue. And that's where we're at right now. So you may ask, how did I do such things? So up here in the freehand pick tool, you have your regular pick tool, right? Your regular pick tool will allow you to draw a square around what you want and change the color. So I think I want all of this, right? And it's not going to select any of this up here, even though it looked it like it was. And let's just change that. Boom. And I'm gonna draw a square around those three, only those three though, and then boom. Like right here, I believe I can go in there and just get that section right there. Right here, just get this section like so. Get those four like so. I'm gonna just click on that one and change the color. Now over here on this other side, I can be a little more intricate. Instead of using the square tool like such, I can change it to the freehand pick tool, and then I can basically go in there like this, and I can freehand it out and select all of the stones that I want, and then just change those to blue. Let the computer catch up. Boom. So I can go down here and just pretty much circle those 6. Boom. Change it to blue. Alright. So we got this last section down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my freehand pick tool. I'm not going to select that pink. I went right through it, and I'm just going on the outside of all these purples. I'm gonna go through these purples here, and then make sure all of those are selected. Let it go. Let it select it. And once it selects all of those, boom, you change the color. So that's looking good. That's looking good. I may want to change the face, but for real, it's looking good to me like this. Oh, wait a minute. Gotta get these over here. As you see, I'm not getting the whole pink in the inside, so that's why I didn't select any of those pinks. Do it again over here. I can go through the pink because I know I'm not selecting it because I didn't grab it off. Let it select them and change the color. Alright, and I think that's good. Let me just go ahead and select all of these down here. That way. Oh, still got those right there. But that way, we can get 3 color going on. So, now I could go in here and take the time. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. We're gonna cut it like right here, and we're gonna come in here, down in here, through here, up through here. Let's grab all of this. Now I could have made this real easy for myself by grouping all of the stones colors together, like the blue on the outside. Select all the blue, group it together, and then select all the pink, group it together. Let me show y'all real quick, because that's, I mean, I've been doing this for quite some time, and there's 1,000 different ways, you know, you can go about selecting things. So let me show y'all real quick. I did just select a lot of stones with the pick tool. So let's just change those to tan, right? So we can click one blue, click all right here to select all the same color blue, and then add it, and I'm gonna nudge it out by 15. Boom. Separate the blue. Separate all the pink. We're gonna nudge that out too. And now that makes it a lot easier. So let's use our regular pick tool, and let's just go and grab all of this here, change it to tan, grab all of this here, change it to tan. Boom. And we got our face separate, and we can even, let's even do these down here. Let's change them to like green. Boom. That one and that one green too. Boom. Alright, so now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 color design. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start another page over here. Let's grab all of that, nudge it back over. And we're going to grab all of this. We're going to group it. We're going to copy it. And then let's paste it over here. And then ungroup it. The reason why we grouped it, then copied it, is because, watch this. Let's ungroup all objects here. Boom. And then let's copy it. Watch how long it takes to copy. Well, it's fast on the copy, but watch how long it takes to paste over here when it's not grouped. Takes quite a while to paste when it's not grouped. So you want to group it, then copy it, then paste it, then ungroup it, and it works a lot faster. See how long we waiting just for it to paste all of those objects? If you would have copied it as a group and then pasted it would have worked a lot faster. So that's today's episode. If this is your first time to my channel, smash that like button down below. Also hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when I do drop another video. And I'm out.